What is computer debugging? Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about computer debugging. Whatever your operating system your computer might be running, you may have encountered within one of the settings or browser settings an option called debugging. What exactly is computer debugging? Debugging is a computer programming process for finding and resolving errors in software or a website, often referred to as bugs. It often requires a comprehensive procedure to identify the reason a bug has occurred and develop strategies to ensure a program can run smoothly for users in the future. Software developers and engineers often debug programs using a digital tool to view and edit the coding language, which contains instructions for how a program works. Debugging allows them to address individual sections of code to ensure every part of a program operates in an expected and optimal way. Debugging is important because it allows software engineers and developers to fix errors in a program before releasing it to the public. It's a complementary process to testing, which involves learning how an error affects a program overall. Debugging mode is available across many devices including phones and tablets. In phones and tablets, app developers and testers may enable debugging mode in order to connect their device via USB to a computer. Also, in some phones you can use debugging mode in order to stipulate what is the primary purpose of your USB port. For example, you can configure the USB port just for transferring files or just for charging. You can also configure some apps to be able to be moved to a SD card. Entering debugging mode differs in different devices. For example, in Windows 10 you can enter debugging mode by 1. Open PC settings. Step 2. Choose Update and Recovery. Step 3. Select Recovery and tap Restart Now under Advanced Startup. Step 4. Choose Troubleshoot to continue. Step 5. Open Advanced Options. Step 6. Enter Startup Settings. Step 7. Click Restart. Step 8. Press 1 or F1 to select Enable Debugging. For Android phones, Android 4.0 or newer. Enable the USB debugging option under Settings at Developer Options. For Android 4.2 and newer, Developer Options is hidden by default. Use the following steps. On the device, go to Settings About Device. Tap the build number 7 times to make Settings at Developer Options available. Then enable the USB debugging option. Tip: you might also want to enable the Stay Awake option, to prevent your Android device from sleeping while plugged into the USB port. Debugging is also available in Kindle Fire devices. Select Settings at Security and set Enable ADB to On. So to summarize, computer debugging is a mode where you can troubleshoot and repair any issues with your operating system. You can also use to develop new programs and apps. In Windows 10, debugging mode is very similar to safe mode. While in debugging mode in Windows, only essential drivers and programs are loaded. Debugging mode is mainly used by computer programmers and developers. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more internet-related videos.